Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today I'm going to teach you how to request cancellation via your Harmonweb account. So let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Harmonweb client area. Come under the services section. You can use the menu bar also. Under services, select the service that you want to cancel. For example, I'm canceling this particular service. Click on it. Then you scroll down and you can check via the sidebar under actions. You're going to see request cancellation, or under your services section you're going to see request cancellation. Anyone you click on still gives you the best option for canceling your services. So let's click on request cancellation. Then here's the final step. You briefly describe why you're canceling that particular services, and if you don't have a specific reason for cancellation, you can just leave it, but it is very necessary to give a reason for cancellation. And there are two types of cancellation types. We have the immediate cancellation and the end of billing period. The immediate cancellation means whenever you request for cancellation immediately, that particular services will be terminated immediately. But end of billing period means you are cancelling that services. For example, my service is expiring, let me say, in the next 2 weeks. It means after that next 2 weeks is complete, it will automatically terminate. And remember that once cancelling, you cannot reactivate. It cannot be reactivated. Your files cannot be restored back because you've totally terminated everything on that service. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to someone who might need it. See you in the next video.